I'm Sydney Taylor. I'm Sydney Taylor. I'm Sydney Taylor. I got into acting at this time in my life because I finally figured that I have time to do it. I can do it. I can go after it. I dance. You know, I can vogue with the best of them. Vogue. I sometimes go to the gym, maybe like once a month. I believe that I got what it takes, and I like that I lose myself in the process and become someone else. I think I can embody the casting couch, those emotions and those characters, and betray them and make someone else believe. But like on that note, will I get my own dressing room? You have no idea how hard I suffered being, this good looking. I was a pharmacy technician, and I worked obviously in the back of the pharmacy, getting pills, talking to insurance. Oh shoot, I forget. I hope he doesn't die. Mm. Deep dark secret? I'll let you in. Stay in darkness. Like all my lights are out and I'm okay. No lights are turned on at all. I look cool, right? I'm Sydney Taylor. I'm Sydney Taylor. I'm Sydney Taylor, and I'm the one you want for your next project.